Okay, much darker parking lot. Step on the brake. Take your foot off. Left turn signal. There's a momentary delay with the turn signal versus the brake light. I'm sure more expensive arrow stick light bars, whatever, would eliminate that, but for the money, I'm not complaining. Okay, turn this turn signal off. Right turn signal. All right, turn signal off. Step on the brake, put it in reverse. Backup lights on that are very nice. I like them quite a bit. Okay, put it in park. Four ways. Okay, turn the arrow stick on. Turn the four ways off. Left arrow on the arrow stick. Nope, those work lights. There we go. Okay, turn the left turn signal on too. Okay, turn signal off. Right arrow. Right turn signal. Okay, turn the turn signal off, turn the four ways on. And then the center out button for the arrow stick. Okay, turn the arrow stick off. Turn it back on. Turn both of the warning lights on. The two yellow switches for all the warning lights. Turn the backup, the work lights off. Turn the other two switches on. Not that one. The ones next to it. There we go. It's not like there's 20 different switches in it to get confused with.
So the work lights are the switches, the arrow stick is on the top.
Correct. And you're also trying to find the switches in the dark parking lot versus the semi-lit parking lot at the metro station. It doesn't help any. Okay, turn the warning lights off. Yes. Turn the arrow stick off. Okay. Turn the rear work lights on. Switch all the way on the left. There you go. Very nice. Okay, you can shut those off.